Hi everyone, it's been a while. And I am finally getting rid of all the lettuce. Turn this way so you can see what's going on here. So that's the state of the lettuce, and as you can see right there and also right there, it has started bolting. There's a spinach, it's bolting as well, and so is the cilantro, although I do have some more cilantro in the raised bed that is finally coming up. And as you can see, my garlic finally has garlic scapes. Well, let's look at some more lettuce. Yeah, this garden has been really productive. It's been quite a blessing. And as you can see, hidden in there is my tomato, one of my tomato plants, and it's already started flowering. And once I see the little flowers starting to come out, I'm putting each one of them in a little bag, and I have more on this side down there. So I also need to clear this lettuce to give the tomatoes some breathing room. And you can see the garlic, and the scapes are about my height now, and I've already cut off a few that were ready to go. And there is my Egyptian walking onion. Those are getting really big as well. Yeah, it's just a bush in here. And I've started harvesting the garlic that is ready, and I will show you one. Let me see, is there one that's ready to go? No, I don't think I have one ready to go right now. They are huge. I'll show you the two that I picked today. And as you can see, we have lots of dill. We have collard greens. We have some Chinese broccoli. And I have a Poblano pepper right there in the back. There's a San Marzano tomato. And there's another San Marzano right behind that lettuce. So my tomatoes are really doing well. They're really healthy. So, and as you can see, I also have lots of beets coming up. And I have a Paul Robinson right there. And I have a pineapple tomato. Let's pull that grass. It's teeny tiny, you can barely see it right there. And I need to fill that hole. I just pulled a lettuce from that hole, so I need to get some compost and add it in there. have onions in here, and also a lot of grass that I need to get rid of. And my Aunt Molly tomatoes have volunteered, so I need to figure out where I'm going to put them. There's lots of them. That's another one right there, and all that in the back right there, those are all Auntie Molly tomatoes. Well, Auntie Molly's cherries is what they call them. And as you can see, my dill needs to be picked. Let me see what else. So you can see, space is so tiny I can barely make space to show you. Okay, those are the garlic scapes, and they're really big. Don't know if you can see the size of that one. I have a cabbage right there, which should probably have moved because that's right next to my tomatoes, but I think it'll be okay. Let's see, what else do I need to show you in here? I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I decided since I'm in here, might as well go ahead and do it. Oh yeah, so that right here, that's another Chinese broccoli plant, and I just picked some we have some more. Don't know if you can see that there, right there. And I think it might be time to pull this plant. It's getting too tall and shading everything. You can see the Tara cabbage down there, still doing quite well. We have some more Chinese broccoli back there, and more garlic over here. So that's the little bush I'm working on today, getting that lettuce under control and out of here. And I do have some more lettuce in the raised bed coming up, and I'll probably show you that in another video, since I need to get out of here. And I have a volunteer right there. I'm not sure what that tomato plant is, but since it volunteered right at the right place, I'm just going to put it right on that so it can climb right there. We have an onion. We have an onion back there too. And as you can see, I still have radishes, and obviously the beets are all over the place. So I'm really enjoying the way I'm gardening and just bringing in plants or my starts as soon as I have a little space somewhere. We have a Nasturtium growing right there. I also have, let's see, oh, I didn't even notice those. That's going to be ready really soon. The beets right there. And we have more Swiss chard. We're really enjoying the Swiss chard. And in between, I do have some bean plants just random all over the place. There's some more back there. I don't know if you can see that. There's some more back there. So those will start climbing. Well, hopefully they will not start climbing into my garlic, because that's only probably going to be here only another 2 weeks or so. All right, I think that is it for now. Right, I might be ready to pick that. Let's see how that is doing. Let's get that out of here. Yeah, that might be ready to go. It already has like several leaves have died, so it may just be ready to go. Oh, that's not going to make it. I think that's ready to go as well. All right. I think that'll be it for now, and we'll see you in the next one. I guess that's my June tour of the greenhouse. D.